Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola and I'm your personal finance fitness plug. So today we're talking to our friends and family outside of Nigeria. I'll be talking about the opportunities that we have in Nigeria to invest and why it might actually make sense, especially if you're at that stage where you have kids and you want to start putting away money for them. So I'm a YouTube content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll be talking about the opportunities that are available in Nigeria to invest and how you can go about it. In creating a balanced portfolio, it is always advisable for you to have equity investments and then also have fixed income investments. But you would agree with me that the interest rates are so low abroad that it almost doesn't make sense. Like, it literally doesn't make sense. Where you could possibly get any value is in investing in equities. Now, if you have no idea about where to start and how to think about investing in equities, I've done a piece on investing your money and on equity investing. Also, you can actually check. I'll put the link in the description box and it should come up somewhere on one of these sides. Check out the links and it will help you in your investing journey. And I'm back to the opportunities in Nigeria. So the major question I know people have is that if I bring my money into Nigeria, my challenge is that there's a devaluation. So I might be bringing money, getting 10% when I can get 1% here. But if the currency moves from 360 to 460, that is more than 10% loss in value, right? So am I not losing money? Agreed, the devaluation concern is valid when you are bringing your money into Nigeria. But I would say two things. The first thing is this: you can actually invest in dollar-denominated assets in Nigeria. You can invest in Eurobonds. Our Eurobonds currently offer somewhere between 3% and 9-10%, depending on the maturity of the bond currently. If you don't know what Eurobonds are, check out my video on fixed income investing. You will find it useful. But the thing about Eurobonds is that there's a minimum investment amount of $200,000. And so if you do not have up to that, you can actually, it's just a no-no, you can't access that. So the other option when it comes to fixed income investment is that you can invest in mutual funds. Now, I've done an explainer video on what mutual funds are. So in your case, you'll be looking out for dollar-denominated mutual funds, right? So they are also called Eurobond funds. What they do is that they pull everyone's money together, pull your 5K, 10K, 20K, and put it together to meet that $200,000 mark. So you can actually invest in that same Eurobond, but going through another channel. Right, so it's it's a valid option. You get the benefits of the income and the return, the high yielding returns in Nigeria. I would recommend this for if you're younger, just starting out and all that. If you also have kids that you want to be putting away money for over time, this would help you. And most mutual funds, most asset managers, like I always keep saying, you don't need to walk in. You just need to send an email, go to their website, download their app. It is so accessible right now, and there's so many mutual funds available. So that's that. So you have two options when it comes to fixed income investment. Another option is to invest in private companies that export out of Nigeria. Meaning that when you send in your dollar, right, they would convert it to naira, definitely use it to buy whatever raw materials and all that and process in naira, but then they are selling to someone out of the country, so in the end the person pays in dollars. So that company has the capacity to pay you your dividend in dollars and has the capacity, if it's a debt instrument, to pay your interest in dollars also, in whatever hard currency that you are using. But most times in Nigeria, we always convert against the dollar, right? So that's another option. Now, if you don't really understand what I'm saying right now, it means that you need to subscribe to my channel and that you need to go and look at my videos on investing your money, because I talked about equity and all these terms I explained there. So this, to put it in context. So if you can structure an investment, of course, there's a beginner's checklist, and I'll put the link in the description box. So you put the right structures in place, right? With the right legal structures, you should be fine, and that's a really viable option. And Nigeria is a developing economy, right? So there's a lot of opportunities hanging around, right? So if you are able to find any investment that will be selling to the global space, selling outside of Nigeria, where they will be charging in hard currency, you are good to go. That's another option to go for. So like I said at the start, you need to put your investment in equity and then put some in fixed income. I would recommend that instead of doing US treasuries that are like 0.25% and then keep dropping the rates, or 1%, something not tangible for a 10-year bond, you might want to consider investing in Nigerian Euro bonds or in a mutual fund in Nigeria. It will provide better value for your money for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll be here to answer you. Thank you so much for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. And don't forget, I always end with this. There are two things you cannot outsource: your health and your finances. So you have to engage. Don't leave it to chance. Bye.